Get ready for some volcanic thrills in our latest video. We're taking you to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, where you can witness the incredible power of real live volcanoes. Picture vast lava fields stretching as far as the eye can see and massive volcanic craters creating landscapes that feel out of this world. This isn't your average sightseeing adventure. It's like stepping onto another planet, where the Earth's fiery forces are on full display. From bubbling lava to awe-inspiring craters, the park is a volcanic wonderland waiting for you to explore.